Good morning, traders, and welcome to Daily Call today, Wednesday, the 20th of September. Before we get started, as always, please understand that any advice in today's session is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Okay, let's have a look at what's happened yesterday. Starting off locally in Australia, the RBA was happy to see investment expectations pick up and solid employment growth, but they were also concerned with household debt and low consumer growth. As a consequence, the Aussie posted a overall plus 50 pip day and currently now trading at 80 even. From the US, we had building permits coming higher than the forecast at 1.3 million. But it seems that at the moment all the action with the US is really centered around positioning for the FOMC monetary policies which will be occurring overnight. The question is, will they or will they not increase rates one more time this year? One thing for certain is that the market is now really not expecting much hawkishness from the Fed, and should they provide it, it will surprise the market. So there you have it. Building permits came in at 1.3, higher than the forecast at 1.22 million. Okay, it is now time for our chart of the day. And the chart that we found this morning it's the US CAD on a daily time frame. So the US CAD has been on a downtrend significantly. We recently took what we would call a fade trade or a cheeky reversal trade off some divergence. We hit our full target and now we've got a signal to continue in the direction of the trend. So we've produced an inside candle situation with a fractal. So the market's coming down, it's pulled back, produced an inside candle, and now should we break that inside candle on the downside, well then it's all systems go to continue into the trend. Should we break the upside of the candle, well then basically abort and remove your pending order. So there you have it. Our chart of the day today is the US CAD on a daily time frame. Okay, let us now have a look at what's happening in the session that is about to kick off for us. We have at 6:30 this evening from the UK, we have retail sales. Just after midnight at 12:30 from the US, we have crude oil inventories. And then the big one, 4 o'clock in the morning our time, we have the FOMC statement, the rates decision, and their economic projection. So I don't believe anybody thinks they will increase rates today. But what we're really more so looking for is to see what their statement says and what they reveal of the future projection for the rest of the year. If they announce or intend give the possibility of another increase is really the question that is being asked. Okay. At 4:30, basically they have their press conference half an hour later, and then at 8:45 tomorrow morning. This may be before I speak to you next, or may not, but either way, from New Zealand we have GDP numbers. So there you have it, guys. That's the session tonight. It's a big one, so please be alert, watch your positions before you go to sleep. As always, guys, please feel free to contact us if you do have any questions. Follow me on Twitter at ChatFX for trade setups and breaking news. Most importantly, hope you all have a fantastic trading day. I will talk to you tomorrow on the Daily Call. Bye for now.